Hello everyone and welcome to DeltaStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a user from a group in Ubuntu. So to keep things safe and simple, we are going to create a test group first, then add ourselves to it, and then we will remove it. This way we won't accidentally break the system settings. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's create a safe playground group to try this with. So open your terminal by going to the Apps section, then Terminal. Now over here, we'll create a simple group called testgroup, so you can directly copy this command over here. Paste sudo addgroup testgroup. If you want to also create a group, just simply name whatever group you want over here. I've given it testgroup, then hit enter. Now enter your password, and now let's add your current user to this group so we have someone to remove later. So you can just simply get the command in the description box below. So this will paste sudo usermod space -ag space testgroup space $user. Paste it right over here. Then just hit enter. So over here you will notice the $user part, which is a cool shortcut that automatically types your own username for your ease, right? So now before we delete anything, let's confirm you are actually in the group. We need to refresh your session for the group to show up, but we can check it manually with a simple command. So again, you can copy the command from the description box below. Paste grep space testgroup space /etc/group, and then just simply hit enter. Now once you press enter, you should see the group name followed by your username at the end of the line. This confirms you are a member. Now, the main event. We are going to remove your user from this test group. We use the deluser command for this. So again, copy the command from the description box below. Paste sudo deluser space $user space testgroup. Paste it right over here. Then hit enter. Now when you hit enter, Ubuntu will confirm that it is removing user from group. Note, this does not delete your account. It just takes away your membership card for that specific group. To double check if it worked or not, run another simple command, which you can again find in the description box below. So directly paste it over here. Grep space testgroup space /etc/group, and then hit enter. And you will see the group name is still there, but your username is gone from the end of the line. And that means you have successfully removed yourself from the group. So that's it. You know exactly how to safely add or remove a user from a group in Ubuntu. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.